Today we will be making garlic bread topped with mozzarella cheese. We can pair it with any pasta dishes or share it with family as we give it a proper place in the center of our table. I'm so excited. I love me some good garlic bread. So welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna. Let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees and let's get started. Let's go ahead and take our whole baguette and cut it right through the middle. We're gonna take one of the halves and cut it right through the center, just like I'm doing in this video. Let's open it up and make sure we cut it all the way through so that you get two separate pieces. Let's grab our other half and do the same exact thing. Moving on to our butter, we're gonna need 1.5 sticks of soft butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and for a little bit of a kick, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. It's time for our garlic. We will need 5 cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna be using my garlic press so that I can get them really fine in there and we get that really intense flavor. After all, this is garlic bread. To mix it up, I will be using a whisk. Okay, let's not forget our parsley. We're gonna just take a small bunch, chop it up really finely, and just add it into our butter. And give it a quick mix. Alright, so for space purposes, I'm just going to transfer my butter into a smaller container. Okay, we will now take our butter and just spread it across each one of our baguette pieces. As you may have already noticed, I went ahead and placed my baguette bread in a sheet pan that I've lined up with parchment paper. Okay, so I had a little bit of butter left over. Wrap it up, put it in your fridge, and you can use it for any other dish you may be making. Let's not waste any time and top off our baguette bread with shredded mozzarella cheese. You're going to do it to each one of your slices of bread. I will be using 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Once all of them are topped, let's go ahead and put it in our preheated oven. Remember, we preheated our oven to 400 degrees. While we're waiting, I would love to invite you to subscribe, like, and share our videos. And also do not forget to click the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a video. Now let's check on our bread. I think it's ready. I left my bread in the oven for 22 minutes. Now this may vary, so just make sure you pay close attention so that your bread gets this beautiful golden brown color. Then you'll know it's ready. Let's go ahead and cut our pieces of bread into small slices. I waited for my bread to kind of reach a warm temperature. You don't want to let it go cold because your bread is best served warm. All right, let's eat this. Let me tell you, I was craving some garlic bread and this is amazing. You have to try this recipe. It's so good, so delicious, and it can pair up with so many dishes. Believe me, if you don't make this, you're missing out. All right, so we reached the end of the video. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.